everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jenna Redfield, and today I'm going to be talking about a topic that I'm very excited about, and that is the difference between Notion, Notion AI, and Claude. Now, a lot of you guys may have been hearing about Claude lately. I personally switched about a week ago, and it has completely changed my life. I had been using ChatGPT and Notion AI together for the last, I would say, I guess 6 months plus. I started using Notion AI. Before that, I had been using ChatGPT for years. And I kept hearing about Claude, and I just really wanted to understand it, especially because I teach this kind of stuff. So I decided to just switch, and I'm not going back to ChatGPT. Let's just say that. Some of you might be using Notion, maybe you tried Notion AI, but you're also interested in Claude, and you're like, which one's which? What do I do for what? So I thought I would talk to you guys today about kind of what I use each one for, because I do use all three. And you might be thinking oh my gosh, does Claude work with Notion? It does. There's some really exciting stuff coming up with Claude and Notion coming together. So if you're not using Claude right now, and maybe you're using Notion, highly recommend downloading it. Download the desktop app and signing up for the free account. I will say the one part about Claude that I don't love is it does have some limits in terms of data usage. I felt like I never hit that on ChatGPT. And with Claude, because it uses a lot more data, I think that I keep hitting it, especially using Cowork. But I'm kind of trying to figure out, okay, well, what takes up more energy, what doesn't? How do I kind of structure my days around that for the $20 a month plan, which is what I'm on. So I've been building everything in my life in Notion for years, and I wanted to kind of talk to you about how I use all three together, because I don't use them individually. I kind of work them all together. So, and people might be wondering what I use for what. So that's kind of what this video is going to be about, is how I use all three together and how I kind of distinguish them in my brain. And I have a really fun metaphor that I created that I think will help people kind of understand. I'm also going to share how my 13 pillar system, which if you haven't seen it on my channel, I teach this 13 pillar system, which is how I organize everything from my emails to my files to my Notion. And I have now been able to figure out how to use it with Claude, which has been so exciting. So very, very exciting. So let's start off with kind of the metaphor that I created with the three. So I like to think about Notion as your house. It's where everything lives. It's where you store things, your memories, your important documents, your plans, your routines, your content calendar, all of the book notes that you've taken. It's really a storage facility for me. For a lot of people, that has been a challenge because they don't like to store things, or they never look back at it. I'm the kind of person that loves to rummage through storage and re-look at things. But with Notion AI coming around, Notion AI to me is your cleaner. It comes in, it sweeps the house, it reorganizes. It's like a personal organizer that really helps you reset your entire Notion account. I will say Notion AI is better internally for Notion. It's like Notion's AI supercharged cleaner. And I will say it does work with outside apps, but I will say Claude, I think, is better for this task, which is why I think of Claude more like your car. It's driving you to different places. It's bringing things along. It's maybe an Amazon driver or a UPS driver. It's bringing things from app to app much better than Notion AI, in my opinion. I feel like Claude also can work with Notion, where you can put things into Claude and it will change them in Notion much better than ChatGPT ever could. So also, Claude Cowork and Claude Code work in the background. Maybe while you're sleeping in your house in Notion, they're doing all the work driving the evening shift, or they're, flying a plane somewhere. They're basically the driver. They're the action taker. They're the one that's actually going to do the work. And I think that for a long time, people wanted Notion to be that, and it is moving that direction, but it's not quite there as much as Claude is. I will say for me, Notion is where I just store everything. It's where every single information that I collected lives. And some people are not collectors, and that's okay. I am, which is why Notion has always spoken the same language as me. And it's always worked super well for my brain. But it might not work for everyone's brain. I like to have things written down. I like to be able to search. I like to be able to look back at information. So for me, Notion has been a godsend. It has been truly an incredible tool that has helped me remember things, organize things, and just helped me just live my life better. So with Notion being your house, let's talk about that for a little bit. In addition, it has some other things that it houses, like Notion Calendar, a Notion Calendar scheduler, Notion AI meeting notes. So when I'm on a call or anything, I can take some meeting notes. That has been a huge one for me. And also then get the Notion AI within your workspace. So it helps you organize and kind of come up with plans. One of my favorite things about Notion AI that Claude isn't as great at, but I'm sure it'll get there, is I like being able to reference specific pages within Notion AI. So I can like tag certain things. It almost has like a multi-step process, which you can't really do in chat or even in Cowork. You have to like almost have multiple prompts in order to do that, versus it can all happen in one prompt in Notion AI. And it's linking very specific pages. It's like the context is much bigger because Notion has so much context and so many different things going on. A thing that I don't love about Notion AI as well, that I like Claude a little bit better, is Claude is much faster with short, simple tasks. But I also think that Claude can be slow when it comes to like larger skills and that sort of thing with Cowork. Notion AI is really great with a lot of things. Like I'm not going to stop using Notion AI, but at this time I feel like it is a little bit more limited to using it with Notion. Again, there are other apps that it works with, but I've just seen Claude be just much better. I don't know. That's just my 2 cents, and that's just what I have to say. One of the things I like about Claude as being a car is sometimes you can just go on autopilot. It literally just lets you kind of drive without having to think. And I think that's the most important thing for an ADHDer, is just it catching things that you're not going to remember. For example, I've just set up a Claude schedule, which Notion has some scheduled options. Again, it's not like as robust, but with Claude, you can schedule something to go on at a certain time and it will actually do it at that time in the background of your computer. So this is something that I think Notion is working on, and they are going to be launching desktop stuff soon. I think they just announced that on their Twitter. It's kind of in beta. Again, a lot of this stuff is going to come out probably after this video is out, but there is stuff coming out. But as of the time I'm recording this, that is what the capabilities are. It's really about getting things done. So for me, with my 13 pillar system, I had something crazy happen yesterday. I was watching Sabrina, who I highly recommend. She teaches a lot of Claude stuff. She was talking about how she organized her computer folders with Claude, and I was like, I need to look into that because I teach that. So what I did was I uploaded a photo of my 13 pillars and I said, organize my downloads folder, which I then linked as a co-working folder, which I highly recommend watching her video. She kind of goes through it. But then I just added my 13 pillars and said, organize it into these 13 pillars, and it did it. And it was crazy. And I have my reaction of, I just started recording it because it was so insane. Let me show you guys real quick. This is crazy. It's literally like organizing my download folder based off my 13 pillars. That's insane. Like, it's doing it behind the scenes. It's running the command. Oh my God. This is going to be crazy. Wow. 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 Okay, I'm actually speechless because now it has organized everything, but then it also has folders within the folders. Like, what? What? This is crazy. Oh my, what? It knows like, oh, this is a client project. Oh, this is a folder for clients. Oh, this is a PDF about a client. I'm shook. This is insane. This is going to save me so much time. And it's still in my 13 pillars that I wanted it to be. This is so crazy. But like, if you haven't watched any of my 13 pillar systems, highly recommend below. I love this system. I've been using this for like 4 years now, and it has completely revolutionized the way that I organize everything. But this takes away the manual process of actually organizing it on my desktop. It would have taken me hours probably. It would have taken you probably hours. You probably have way more files than I do. I don't keep a lot of stuff on my computer. I try to put it into hard drives or in the cloud or in Notion. So for me, having it download, like the downloads folder be organized by Claude, I felt like magic was happening. And I was like, this is insane. And it was so smart. It didn't get everything right, obviously, but it was so crazy. I think with Cowork specifically and ADHD, that I think is truly magic. It's doing things without you even having to lift a finger. You set it up one time, it does it for you. And I think this is gonna revolutionize like so many businesses because there's so much waste that we spend doing things that manually that we don't need to, that are just, I don't know, they're just kind of like boring data stuff. And it's like, we could be actually doing more in the world instead of doing all this manual moving and organizing and losing files. Like, this is gonna be so game changing that I don't think the world is honestly ready for it. All of the struggles that we have today, I think people are gonna be like, wait, what do you mean by that? Like, how are you struggling with that? So I really think that this is a huge shift. So how do all of these work together? Let's give an example. So if I'm on a call, let's say I booked a call. I use my Notion scheduling link to book a call with somebody. I use Notion AI meeting notes, and then I have that file. I can either go into Claude or Notion AI and kind of ask it to summarize it for me. It kind of does that automatically, but I could maybe set up a task in Claude to email that person, and maybe I have a script to follow up, and then it actually sends the email for me, which is, I have not done that yet, but I'm planning to. And then maybe at the end of the week, everything on your computer is unorganized again. You tell Cowork to organize your desktop or organize your download folder, and it will do it for you if you have set up that skill. It is insane to me that you can do all this. And I'm going to be doing some more tutorials and that sort of thing. I just wanted to make this video to kind of get you thinking about Claude and maybe trying it out for yourself. I have some resources as well that I'll link that I found that have been really helpful to me. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of share this analogy. I think it's a really good one to kind of help you understand the difference between Notion, Notion AI, and Claude if you're kind of using all three or considering using one of them, what I use it for. And I, again, am a very AI focused person right now, and it's definitely something that I've been teaching a lot and talking about a lot. So anyways, hope that this was helpful. Hope that you guys check out some of the stuff below. Make sure to join my Substack where I send out newsletters every single Tuesday where I share more of this stuff in depth. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye!